Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Microsoft PowerToys. So we will use the standard Windows uninstallation process, so let's get straight into it. I will show you two methods, so let's get started with method number one. Okay, now the first thing is what we need to do. We need to go to the settings. I will open up here the settings. So sorry, I will show it right over here. So settings right here, I will press on that like that. And what we need to do now is go under the apps and then install apps, the first one right here like that. And now we need to find Power Toys. So if I type in Power Toys right over here, you saw them right here. Okay, so then on the right side you will see more options, these three dots right here. Click on it and you will see here the button to uninstall the program. So this is the method number one. All right, now the second method I'm going I'm going to show you is if we press Windows key plus R, it will open up this control panel right over here. Then type in appvis.cpl like that and hit OK. It will open up control panel, so programs and features, and right over here search for the Power Toys. So I can search right here at the right top corner, so Power Toys like so, and click on it with the right button on your mouse and you will see bold text uninstall and hit on that button right over here. And this is how you can delete Microsoft PowerToys from your computer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the